add one last Boolean expression that checks if the player's X position is less than or equal to the sum of the platform's X position, and more. So, we check the player's position of X, and if it is less than or equal to the sum of the platform position of X plus the platform's width minus minus 1/3 of the player's width. So we only have to divide it by 3, because if this part is the half of the player width, we divide it by 2, so we equal it by 2. So in this case is that we only have to divide it by 3 to make the sides equal to 3. Divided by 3. The player width divided by 3. So that would be it. Nice.